Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate charity donations with GoFundMe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate charity donations using GoFundMe, first, visit the GoFundMe website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account after registration. Search for the charity or fundraiser you would like to support. Select the fundraiser to open its main page. Review the details of the campaign to ensure it aligns with your values. Scroll down to the donation section. Choose the amount you wish to donate. Instead of a one-time donation, look for the option to make it a recurring donation. Select the frequency of your recurring donation. Fill in your payment information as required. Provide any additional details the campaign requests. Finalize your donation by clicking the confirmation button. After donating, consider saving your payment information for future donations. Follow the campaign updates to stay informed about its progress. Adjust your donation settings if needed through your account. Remember to check your email for confirmation of your donation. This will help you keep track of your contributions over time. With these steps, you can easily automate your charitable giving through GoFundMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.